Qbeat Reviews. Is it worth trying? Are you looking for more knowledge about Qbeat? Please read out my honest review about it before choosing, to evaluate its weaknesses and strengths of. Can it worth your time and money? Qbeat is a first-to-market AI consultant tool. With Qbeat you can now use two-way video calling from right inside your website, allowing your visitors to get more details and even buy directly from inside your video, i.e. turning your video into a live e-commerce store with a 24/7 live video chat facility. Qbeat Review. Features and benefits. 1. Select from over 100 video and animated templates that are completely done for you. They are designed to help you dominate any niche you like. All you need to do is select and instantly use them to witness higher sales and profits. 2. Create live chat widgets. Your customers today expect to be able to chat with you as and when they need assistance. Boost your engagement and watch your conversions soar as you answer your website visitors' queries and clear their doubts. 3. Create audio/phone call widgets. Forget about all the technical mumbo-jumbo. Just drag and drop a few elements to create a sophisticated audio/phone call widget. Talk to your customers in real time. Answer all their queries and make sales faster. 4. Easily create a text/SMS widget. Texting remains to be quite popular among all age groups when it comes to communicating. With Qbeat you can create a SMS/text widget with drag and drop ease. Have your customers text you by just clicking on an icon on your website. 5. Drag and drop editor. Sophistication has a new name. It is our inbuilt editor, a tool that'll help you create your very own flows or quick start with DIY templates with tremendous ease. Just some dragging and dropping is all it takes to ace your digital game. 6. Multiple engagement tools. With just a few clicks, generate your own two-way live video conversions, video presenters, surveys, questions, inquiries, request callback, social media buttons, open chat widget and rating flows and so much more. Complete access to Qbeat with customization power to change flow domains to reflect your brand and to sell this as a service. 50 templates. Create limited widgets. Create limited flows. Create limited instant conversion pages. Limited asset storage capacity. 5K traffic limit per Qbeat widget, commercial license included.